Most roofers are still doing things the hard way, and that is costing them time, money, and jobs. Here's the truth no one tells you. In 2026, the roofing companies growing fastest are not the hardest workers. They are the smartest users of AI tools. In this video, you will learn the 9 best AI tools for roofers in 2026 that can help you get more leads, estimate faster, manage projects better, and close more deals. And stick around, because in a minute I'll show you the one tool that can completely change how you handle customer quotes. Let's start simple. First, you have ChatGPT. Roofers are using it to write quotes, reply to customer messages, and even create ad copy for local leads. Jake, a small contractor in Texas, uses it daily to respond to inquiries in seconds instead of hours. Now here's where it gets interesting. Estimation is where most roofers lose profit. Tools like Hover and EagleView use AI and aerial imagery to measure roofs accurately without climbing up every time. This reduces mistakes and speeds up bidding. But here's the problem. Estimating alone does not win jobs. You still need follow-up and organization. That is where JobNimbus and Buildertrend come in. These tools act like your digital office, tracking leads, jobs, invoices, and customer communication in one place. Now imagine this. You take a lead, and instead of manually updating everything, Zapier connects your forms, share, and email automatically. John, a contractor in Florida, uses this to save hours every week without hiring extra staff. Now here's where it gets even more powerful. Drone Deploy lets you inspect roofs using drones and AI mapping. This is huge for safety and for impressing high-value clients who want detailed reports. For project management at a larger scale, Procore is widely used. It helps coordinate teams, schedules, and materials without confusion on big roofing projects. But wait, there's more. Autodesk Construction Cloud brings AI-powered design and planning tools that help you avoid costly construction mistakes before the job even starts. And finally, we have AI-powered marketing tools like Google Ads Smart Bidding and Meta AI Ads Manager. These help roofing businesses get cheaper leads by automatically optimizing who sees your ads. Now bring it all together. You estimate faster, you manage smarter, and you market automatically. That's how modern roofing businesses are scaling without burning out. So here is the takeaway. AI is not replacing roofers. It is replacing inefficiency. The roofers who adapt now will dominate their local markets in the next few years. If you found this helpful, like the video, drop a comment on which tool you want to try first, and subscribe for more practical business growth strategies like this.